According to Ayurveda, health is harmony with nature. Now, what is this harmony with nature? How do we understand this? This means that human beings are exactly same as the nature outside. In the outside nature, you see wind blowing, you see the storms, you see waves, and you see lot of movement in the outer world. Similarly, in the human beings, there is a similar energy. There is a similar energy which is responsible for movement. What is it called? It's called Vata. Vata is the energy which is responsible for movements in this body.
If we want to treat our body as per Ayurveda, it's best to understand what three doshas are: Vata, Pitta and Kapha. Once we understand and that is embedded in us, everything becomes very simple. That understanding is critical, because once you know how it works, then you can easily counter it or you can make it better. You would know what would work, what would not, what would elevate, aggravate, and what would make you feel better.
Let's understand what is this Vata. Vata is the energy in the body which comprises of two elements, air and space. You all know that the outer world is made up of 5 elements. This human body is also made up of 5 elements. Out of those 5 elements, air and space comprise Vata. And this is the energy which is responsible for all the movements. You see blood circulation, you see the movement of food, you see the movement of all the fluids in the body. Anything that moves in the body, even the movement of nerve impulses, even the movement of minute energies in the body that we all know at the subtle level, it's all fueled by Vata energy. So it's an energy, it's not something bad, it's something which is necessary to do this function which is called movement. But when this energy becomes imbalanced, that is when we have diseases. So Ayurveda suggests that we should always try to maintain a balance of all these 3 energies, out of which the first one, Vata, which is important because it is also responsible for the movement of the other 2 energies. In Ayurveda it is mentioned that both Pitta and Kapha are like lame. Pitta Pangu, Kapha Pangu. They are Pangu. Pangu means they cannot walk. It is the Vata which makes them move. So it's very important, and we have to understand what are the qualities of Vata. In order to maintain good quality of Vata, which means a balanced Vata, it is important we understand the properties of Vata. What are the properties? Vata is dry, it is cool, it is mobile, it is light, it is rough. What does it mean? That means all those foods, all those activities, all those lifestyles which are similar in nature, they will increase Vata. And all those foods and lifestyles and activities which are opposite to these qualities, they will decrease Vata. This is the principle of healing in Ayurveda. If you understand this simple principle, you can maintain a balanced Vata and keep all the movements in your body normal.
Wow, it's so easy to understand. If Vata is compromised or it's aggravated, then we need to counter it. We need to eat foods which are warm, which are moist, which are lubricating, which are a little heavy. So whole foods would work, proteins would work. Combination of whole foods, maybe brown rice and moong. A khichdi made with that, topped with some fresh ghee, nice, warm, steaming hot khichdi, fantastic. Maybe a halwa made with suji, which is nice, warm, lubricating, would also work very well. Maybe roasted pumpkin soup, nice and hot, something which is refreshing, something which is nourishing and also lubricating. If we know Vata is cool, dry, rough, then we should immediately know that something warm would work. Prefer warm over cold. Be it water, be it drinks, whatever, warm would work. Similarly, something which is dry, maybe dried nuts, dried fruit. No, if you have to have them, soak them in water. It'll work better for Vata.